we are kicking things off with a deep dive into the future of software development. We're talking about the Android CRUD experiment we never shipped, and we'll explore what Farzan Lotfi is revealing about this groundbreaking, yet unreleased, project that could completely reshape mobile operating systems.
Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to hold it with one hand? The PopSocket's Pop Grip gives you a secure grip, works as a phone stand, and even lets you swap the top for a fresh new look. Simple, useful, and perfect for everyday phone use. Click the link in the comments to grab yours on Amazon.
Next up, we shift gears to the financial markets with Skyworks Solutions. We're breaking down the mixed Q2 results and that major new Android OEM deal that has sent the stock down 7.3%. We'll analyze what this means for the company's long-term diversification strategy amidst heavy handset exposure. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of mobile entertainment. Radian Arc has just teamed up with TrueID and Blacknut to launch Android Cloud gaming across Thailand on the 5G network. Find out how this partnership is bringing console-quality games to millions of Thai users instantly. And finally, we look at a major privacy shift hitting your browser. Google just added an approximate location sharing option in Chrome on Android, allowing users to share neighborhood data instead of precise coordinates. Tune in now to understand how this changes the game for web developers and your online privacy. A technical exploration titled The Android CRUD Experiment We Never Shipped by Farzan Lotfi, published on HackerNoon on May 6, 2026, has surfaced, sparking interest within the developer and security communities. The post delves into a specific, unreleased experiment related to the Android operating system, focusing on the concept of a CRUD environment within the Android framework. This type of content typically addresses deep-level system architecture, security implications, and potentially novel ways to isolate processes or environments on an Android device. While the content is presented as an experiment that was ultimately not shipped, discussions surrounding such technical deep dives often generate significant engagement regarding future Android development trajectories, system security vulnerabilities, and the boundaries of Android's current implementation capabilities. Experts are likely to be analyzing the technical feasibility and the implications of the proposed CRUD mechanism on the Android ecosystem. Skyworks Solutions, SWKS, shares dropped 7.3% following mixed second quarter results and the announcement of a new multi-year partnership with an Android original equipment manufacturer, OEM. The company is navigating a complex landscape, balancing its current reliance on handset-heavy, Apple-dependent business with its strategic pivot toward industrial, IoT, and automotive markets. Management is leveraging the recent earnings beat and stronger third-quarter guidance to support its diversification narrative in the near term. The most significant catalyst mentioned is the multi-year Android OEM agreement, which management projects will generate over $1 billion in revenue through 2030. This deal is viewed as a crucial step in reducing dependence on a single customer by securing a second, multi-generation anchor in the mobile sector, even as new products like the C86PX industrial isolators bolster the long-term diversification strategy. Despite this positive development, investor caution remains high regarding Skyworks' concentration risk, stemming from its exposure to its largest customer. Softening margins continue to serve as a reminder of how quickly changes in handset demand or pricing pressures can impact financial performance. Skyworks Solutions projects reaching $4.3 billion in revenue and $470.4 million in earnings by 2029. Analyst expectations vary. Some optimistic forecasts projected revenue near $4.5 billion and earnings around $514 million by 2029. The new Android win is expected to reshape these expectations, though the persistent risk of customer concentration necessitates careful evaluation. The company operates globally, developing and marketing analog and mixed-signal semiconductor solutions. Radian Arc, a company under the Submer Group, has announced a major partnership with TrueID, under True Corporation, Thailand's leading telecommunications technology company, and Blacknut, the global leader in cloud gaming. This collaboration will launch Android cloud gaming across Thailand, branded as the TrueID Game Hub. The new service is designed to allow millions of TrueID subscribers to instantly stream and play a wide selection of premium Android games directly on their smartphones and set-top boxes, eliminating the need for expensive gaming hardware or downloads. The technology powering this service is built on Radian Arc's GPU Edge platform, which delivers console-quality gaming experiences streamed from GPU infrastructure. This setup ensures low-latency gameplay, optimized specifically for Thailand's rapidly expanding 5G network. Blacknut contributes a curated catalog of premium titles instantly accessible across various devices. This move is positioned to meet the growing expectations of Thailand's maturing gaming market, offering an accessible, affordable, and high-quality digital entertainment experience, leveraging the true 5G network. David Cook, co-CEO of Radian Arc, noted that by embedding Radian Arc's GPU Edge infrastructure within TrueIDC and combining it with Blacknut's catalog, they are putting premium Android gaming to millions of Thai users on their existing devices. Olivier Avero, CEO of Blacknut, highlighted the opportunity, stating that the partnership enables them to bring a premium Android gaming catalog to millions of new players instantly, capitalizing on Thailand's highly engaged gaming community in Southeast Asia. To celebrate the launch, the partnership will feature an exclusive promotion: a buy-one-get-one free deal on participating cloud gaming packages, commencing on May 14, 2026, offering Thai gamers enhanced value on premium entertainment. Submer Group, which focuses on ground-to-cloud, core-to-edge solutions for AI deployment, is facilitating this real-world application of advanced technology. True Corporation's extensive 5G network infrastructure is key to enabling this consumer-facing service. Google Chrome on Android has introduced a significant update to location sharing, enabling users to grant websites approximate, neighborhood-level location data instead of precise coordinates. Announced on May 5, 2026, by Archit Agarwal, product manager at Chrome, this change fundamentally alters how the browser balances user privacy with location-based web functionality. Previously, users faced a binary choice when a website requested location: grant exact access or refuse entirely. The new implementation introduces a third option, offering users the choice between precise, exact location, and approximate, neighborhood. This acknowledges that many web applications, such as weather sites or news aggregators, do not require pinpoint accuracy, mitigating privacy concerns associated with sharing street-level data. The permission prompt on Android now clearly presents these two choices, layered with options to allow access once or never. This structure mirrors existing Android permission patterns and operates at the browser level, meaning users can tailor permissions differently for various sites. The distinction between precise and approximate location is critical. Precise location provides coordinates accurate to a few meters, essential for navigation and ride-hailing. Approximate location, conversely, offers coordinates accurate to roughly 3 city blocks or 1.5 kilometers, sufficient for local weather or regional news. This capability allows users to satisfy many everyday web requests with less intrusive data. Technically, Chrome inserts a layer between the device hardware and the W3C geolocation API, which currently lacks a native approximate mode. This browser implementation caps the precision passed to the API, effectively managing the data quality delivered to websites. Beyond the user-facing feature, Google is developing new APIs for web developers. These forthcoming tools will allow sites to explicitly declare whether they require precise or approximate location data, ending the current situation where developers must use the same prompt for all needs. This is expected to help developers match their data requirements to user consent, potentially increasing approval rates for lower-stakes applications. The feature is initially live on Chrome on Android and is slated for expansion to desktop browsers in the coming months, where implementation will adapt to desktop positioning methods, which rely more heavily on Wi-Fi and IP data. From an advertising perspective, this shift introduces a middle tier of consent. While precise data remains vital for high-granularity targeting, the availability of neighborhood-level data could increase the pool of consented signals for publishers and advertisers, albeit at a reduced precision level. Research indicates that IP-derived location is often unreliable beyond city levels, underscoring the value of device-native data, even when approximated. This development occurs within a broader privacy strategy by Google, which includes enhanced permission controls and the recent retreat from some privacy sandbox technologies. The approximate location feature acts as a user-controlled restriction, providing a mechanism for users to limit data sharing, which may also be relevant in regulatory contexts concerning data retention. Developers are urged to review their location needs now, anticipating the new APIs that will allow sites to signal their precision requirements directly. The move represents a calculated effort to provide proportionate user control over location data across the web.